Hello all, welcome to oodlescoop tutorials. My name is Koushik. Today we will see how to create a basic swing project and display a frame. So I am going to create a new project. Now to the left hand side you are going to see create Java project, create a project and import project. So as this is the new version of Eclipse, I am getting these options. If you have not got these options, not to worry, you can find it in file and you can click on Java project. Now let us try to build a bookstore application. So I am going to name this project name as bookstore. The rest everything is default options. You don't have to do anything else and click on finish. If you get any other messages, just ignore it, and this creates a bookstore project in your workspace. See, now you have got the JRE system libraries and SRC. These are the essential libraries that is required for my project to run. So let us not disturb this. And this SRC folder is the main folder for us. This is where we are going to type the project. Now click on the SRC, that is right click on SRC, go to new and click on create class. See, now you are going to see the different options that is available. You have the source folder. This is where you are going to save the program, and the package. Although the default package is discouraged, let us keep it simple now, and I'm not going to give any package. So let it be a default package. Now the name of the class, this is very important. So if I give the name of the class and I have a main method in it, this becomes the starting point of the project. So I'll give book manager as the name of the class. Here I have the other options, the modifiers, which is public, package, abstract and final. So I will go with the default option, that is public, and I have the super class here, which I should not disturb anything. If I have interfaces, I can add the interface, otherwise just ignore it. And if I have to create any stubs, that is methods, I can check this. This is going to automatically create this public static void main stub for me, and I am going to click on finish. So now see, you are going to see this particular window, that is editor pane, which has the book manager .java with some auto generated code. Now I am going to remove this line and let me create a JFrame. So I am going to create a JFrame. Object of the frame is equal to new JFrame. Close it. Now you are going to get an error because you are supposed to import certain packages for your JFrame to execute. So I am going to add an import statement here, import javax.swing.jframe. See, this imports the required methods for creating a JFrame. Next, I am going to add few things that will enable me to see the frame. Right. So now I have frame dot set size. You can give the dimension as required. You can give the dimension as D or integer values, width and height. So I'm going to go with the second one. I'm going to give 500 and 500. So this is 500 pixels by 500 pixels, which is the frame size that I am setting. Next, I'll set frame dot set visible. See, I have two options, which is boolean. One is false and one is true. So I am going to go with true, which is I am setting the visibility of the frame to true. Next, I have to set a default close operation. See, I have the default close operation for the window, which will enable me to close the window elegantly. So window constants dot, you have different options: dispose on close, do nothing on close, exit on close, and hide on close. I am going to select exit on close. This will enable the default close operation for this particular JFrame. Now let me run this application and see what is the result I'm going to get. See here, you have to right click and select run as. There is Java application here, so just select the Java application. Now see, this is going to run the JFrame for me, but I don't have any specification of this particular JFrame. It has just set the bounds from 0,0. See, it starts from here to here, so it has given me 500 by 500 pixel JFrame, right? And if I click on close, it is going to close the particular window. Now let me add the title to the JFrame. As this is a bookstore application, I am going to give bookstore. Now I will run this application. As you can see, you have got the title that you have given for the JFrame. There are different options how you can give a particular title to the frame. I can give frame dot set title. This is a string argument, so book store application. Now let me run it again. See, bookstore application, and I have created a frame of 500, 500. Now let me see what is going to happen if I do not give this as true and I'll give this as false. That is set visibility. So your frame will not be visible. See, your application is running, but your frame is not visible, which means if you do not set your application to visibility true, your application will not be visible. So for that to happen, I'll have to change it to true, right click and run as Java application. Now this runs a particular JFrame that I have created with the given parameters, and this closes the application. So this is how we create a JFrame. In the next tutorial session, we are going to add few components to this frame and see how this works. Thank you. If you like this video, please like and share this video. Subscribe to our channel for more videos. There is a lot of other content in our website, so please visit our website at www.oodlescoop.com for the content, and the link to the website is given below in the description.